kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the swipe refresh layout inside your Android activity or inside your list view, recycler view or scroll view. Alright, so first of all let me show you a demo. So here you can see I have list view. Okay, so if I swipe, so here you can see that it is now refreshing. Alright, so I will try to show you how to achieve this. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, I have already created a project. Okay, so the library which I am going to use is this one, full refresh layout. Alright, I will put the link in the video description. You can get from that. Alright, so here you can see that this is the type of the swipe layout. Alright, so first of all we need to add the dependency, so you just need to copy the dependency and add it to build.gradle. Alright, click on sync now. So after that you need to go to your Xml file, and inside that you can say, okay, let it finish. Okay, so now you can say pull refresh layout, set the width to match parent and also the height to match parent, and let's set the ID to pull refresh layout. Alright, so inside that we can use list view, recycler view or anything. Okay, so I will be using a list view, so I will say match parent, and let's set the ID to list view. Alright, so that was it. So now we need to go to our main activity, and inside that first of all we need to initialize our list view, and also we need to initialize the pull refresh layout. Okay, let's first of all reformat the code, and inside that we can first of all need to initialize our list view. Alright, and also let's initialize our pull refresh layout. So we can say pull refresh layout find view by id r.id dot pull refresh layout. Alright, so first of all we need to set or display the list view using the array adapter. So first of all let's say we have a string items string array, and here we can say Pakistan, India, United States, Panama, Iran, France, Italy, Norway. Alright, and also we need to initialize our array adapter of type string. So here we can say array adapter equals to new array adapter this android.r.layout.simple list view item and items. Alright, so now we have initialized, so we can say l1.set adapter, and we can pass the array adapter here, and we can also say array adapter dot notify data set change. Alright, so after that we can use the pull refresh layout listener. So first of all we can say layout dot set on refresh listener new on refresh listener, and inside our on refresh method we can say we can write the code to refresh the data. So we can say data is refreshed. Alright, and let's try to, here we can say layout.set refreshing, and we can set it to false. Alright, and before that we can also change the style. So we can say layout dot set refresh style and full refresh style dot layout dot. Here we have a couple of styles, circle, style material, style wing. So let's say style wing. Alright, that was it. So now let's try to run our application and let's see if it works or not. Let me show you the output. So here you can see we have now this list view, and if I swipe, so you can see that data is refreshed. Alright, and if we change the style to material, and let's see how it looks like. Alright, so here you can see that if I refresh, so here. Alright, so guys, so if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.